Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the sum of infinite terms of the series this. So, suppose that we have x as 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 3 square plus 10 by 3 power 3 plus 14 by 3 power 4 dot dot dot. Okay. Now, if you'll observe, this question is not in AP, GP, HP, or AGP. But if you'll observe this question carefully, you will find out that this part is AGP, correct? The numerator is being increased by 4, so it's an AP, and then 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So it's a AGP. So can I consider the whole part as Y? Okay, so first we have to calculate the value of y. So who is y? Y is 2 by 3, 6 by 3 square, 10 by 3 cube, 14 by 3 power 4 dot dot dot. Okay, now what you have to understand, you know that it is AGP. So what we have to do, we have to find out R and then multiply and then write down the first term below second term. So if you'll observe, you will find out that the common ratio is 1 by 3. So multiply by 1 by 3. Then we will have 2 by 3 square, 6 by 3 cube, 10 by 3 power 4 dot dot dot. What we have to do, we have to subtract, and we have to keep on doing this thing till the time we get proper GP. Okay, so let's subtract a minus b. So we will have 2y by 3. So we got 2 by 3. Then we got 4 by 3 square. Then we got 4 by 3 cube. Then we got 4 by 3 power 4 dot dot dot. So if you'll observe, this thing is proper GP of infinite terms. So like we can manipulate things. So 2y by 3 equals 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9, a by 1 minus r, 1 minus r. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now let's write down this thing again. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 multiply by 3 by 2. So 3 times 2 2 times. So 2 by 3 will become 4 by 3. So this 3 gone, this thing gone. So the value of y becomes 2. But we need to find out the value of x. So it is 1 plus 2, that is 3. Therefore the required value is 3. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.